My name is David Ray, and today I will be demonstrating how to metal band a box. I know you're sick and tired of untangling ratchet straps and using all of them so the motor pool has no supply left. Well, I got the perfect answer for you today. I'm going to show you how to metal band and secure a kicker box. I learned this method about 2 years ago when I was a private in the United States Army. My NCO showed me how to do it, and it has worked very successfully over the last 3 years. Alright, I'm going to show you the proper protective equipment that you will need to perform this task. First thing, you will need gloves. Gloves will make sure that you don't get no cuts in your hands, and it'll keep the safety going. Also, you will need eye pro. Eye pro will make sure that nothing gets in your eyes, so make sure you have this on. Alright, materials for this task. You will need a ratchet, which looks like this. You will need a gripper, which is this. And you will also need metal clamps, which are these. Alright, now that I gave you a little bit of history about metal banding, I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate along with my fellow soldier, Bryant. Alright, Bryant, I'm going to need you to put on the proper protective equipment. Okay, first things first, we're going to take this kicker top and we're going to place it over the box, like such. Press down on it, make sure everything is tightened. We're then going to lock it and make sure it's fastened. Alright, everything looks good. Alright, now we will begin the banding process. First things first is I'm going to make sure my banding system is aligned with the bottom of the pallet. If you don't mind coming around and showing them, just like such. Alright, everything is nice and lined. So now I'm going to grab my metal banding right here like this, and I'm going to send the end through the bottom of the pallet, like such. Alright, Brian, I'm getting ready to send it through. Alright, now you want to make sure that you got enough slack on both ends so that you can combine both of them together. Can you pull that towards the middle, please? Alright. So now I'm going to grab the other end and combine it to the first end. Just like such. Boom. So now I'm going to go to my materials over here. And I'm going to grab my ratchet. I'm going to push down on the handle, and then where the two metal bands are, I'm going to combine them. Okay? From there, I'm going to begin to pull back and forth on the ratchet to tighten down the metal banding. The goal is to make sure that there is no slack. Alright, let's begin banding. I kind of want to place my hand on the end of the ratchet to make sure that everything is tight and stays in place. Alright, looks like the slack is all gone. Everything's nice and tight. Now I'm going to grab my clamp and I'm going to place it over the banding, like such. Alright, got it like that. Now I will take my crimpers and I will crimp the clamp down. Alright. Boom. It's too easy, right? From there, I will pull down on the ratchet just like such to bring the ratchet back to its natural position. Then I will pull down to release the ratchet. From there, with the extra slack, I will pull back and forth right by the clamp. Boom, ladies and gentlemen, you got a tightly secured, fastened box with metal banding. hope you enjoyed this demonstration. That's all I have. Thank you.